Good morning, everyone. ABAQUS Tutorial Lesson 45. Spinning coin on the ground. It's very easy to study. Zero basic can also follow me. Let's go. First, open your software. Network directory. Today is June 28. Number 2 file. Okay. I will create a simple part. This is a coin. This is ground. Pretend field. I give coin a rotational velocity and give gravity. Okay, let's go. Create coin. Cell. Okay, ground cell. Okay, edit discrete rigid to reference point because the ground is rigid. Next, material density is necessary because the analysis is dynamic explicit. Okay, 2E5 megapascal. Poisson's radial. Cell thickness 1 enough. Okay, click middle surface, no problem. Assembly. Okay, rotation. Select all, control left mouse. Okay, only select the coin. Done. The first point, the second point. Okay, let me see. Oh. Okay, translate. The first point, the second point. Okay. Step dynamic explicit. Time 8. Okay. If you want to see a lot of results. Okay. Interaction. General contact. Okay. Coefficient. Friction coefficient 0.1. Normal behavior. Deform. Okay. Okay, special initial great. Point mass. You should give unit is done. Okay, you can. Okay. I don't care the value. It doesn't result in the result. Of learning doesn't. Okay, then this word is hard to say. Influence. Affect the value doesn't affect the results. Initial. Okay, let's go. Continue mesh. Okay, the ground. Okay, load gravity direction J minor 9800 because the unit is millimeter. Okay, boundary. Select this point, reference point. Don't move. Predefined field. Initial velocity only. Select this part, coin. Then only rotational. For example, 10 radians per time. The first point 0.000. The second point, because y direction, so 0.01. Okay, 1. Greater than 0 is okay. Okay. Okay, let me see. Oh, I'm done. Let me see the result. The one. One, because I have finished finished analysis. Save first. Open software again. Directly see results. Okay. I have run the analysis before the view. Okay. Oh. Okay. No problem. If you want to see the thickness, cell thickness of light. Okay. Okay, finished. Class is over. I hope you follow me. My WeChat. This is my email. If you have any questions, send your model to my email. Like home. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.